What have you done to surprise and delight your customers lately?
What have you done to make them say, wow?
Have you ever experienced customer service so good you couldn't wait to tell somebody about it?
Then you were probably being served by a POS client.
Our Positively Outrageous Service training team teaches clients how to make their customers say, wow.
Our founder, T. Scott Gross, has found that the challenge of delivering positively outrageous service isn't the principles, it's the consistent application of those principles, putting them into action.
So how do you take your business to the highest level?
Our business experience has proven over and over again that delivering positively outrageous service is the most important component of your business, marketing, and financial strategy.
Sadly, extraordinary customer service is still the exception and not the rule.
Hence, the organization that invests in positively outrageous service gains the high ground competitively, generates new business through positive word-of-mouth marketing, and grows customer lifetime value through increased customer loyalty.
This is our passion, hence the creation of Positively Outrageous Service LITE. Now, I believe transformation is the application of information. That's the case in everything in life. Hence, we created POS LITE, a practical means to put principles into tangible action.
So what is Positively Outrageous Service LITE?
Well, every 2 weeks, you receive a new episode of Positively Outrageous Service LITE. It's designed to be a turnkey meeting of approximately 20 minutes that includes a video, team engagement, ideation, and action on a specific aspect of positively outrageous service.
So what can you expect from some of the topics?
How about shock and awe?
Putting the outrageous into positively outrageous service.
Maximize and motivate.
Understanding and leveraging generational differences.
Telephone.
Turning an interruption into an opportunity.
Being playful.
How to invite your customers to play.
Handling complaints.
Creating customer loyalty when things go wrong.
Being on mission.
You do more than dispense products. You solve problems.
Service and hospitality.
Service is something you do. Hospitality is something you are.
And that's just a few of the first topics.
Is it time to upgrade your customer service marketing strategy?
Subscribe now and get your first month of 2 episodes free.
Each episode is only $99.
So what's one new customer referral worth to you?
What's getting more business from your existing customers worth?
What's a loyal customer worth to you?
Plus, if you subscribe for a whole year for $19.99, you save $575.
Contact us today to get started.
POS LITE promo. Take 4.